student, welcome to all of you. In this video we will cover the next passage of this lesson. So let's see what happened. But in the hearts of all who lived in the solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Means writer says when Lajo saw that his whole crops had been destroyed, he was disappointed and became so sad. But he was not broken-hearted. Still, he had a ray of hope, and it was help from God. Don't be so upset, even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. Means Lancho consolate his family by saying that we should not lose our heart because it is the law of nature that no one die of hunger. That's what they say. नो वन डाइज ऑफ हंगर. इसीलिए सभी लोगों ने कहा है कि कोई भूख से नहीं मरता. ऑल थ्रू द नाइट लेंचो थॉट ओनली ऑफ हिज वन होप, द हेल्प फ्रॉम गॉड, whose eyes as he had been instructed see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Although Lencho was firm believer of God, and it had been very clearly taught him that God is almighty, he can see everything, he help his people whatever the circumstances or condition are there. So his soul was in deep regression, in deep disappointment, but still he was optimistic. He was very hopeful that God would help him. Lancho was an ox of a man, working like an animal in the fields, but still he knew how to write. Although Lancho was not a very educated person, but still he knew how to read and write. The following Sunday at daybreak, he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. Means in the next Sunday, he wrote a letter to the God, and he himself would carry it to dispatch in the mail of the post office. It was nothing less than a letter to God, and this letter was written to God. God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pieces in order to sow my field again and to live until the crops come because the hailstorm blah blah blah. Means in the letter he had written that God, if you will not help me, my family, my children will all be hunger this year because we have no money at all to carry on our life very smoothly, and we don't have any money to look after our field to sow the crops again. That's why if you would not help us, we will be in a very bad condition because my crops had been destroyed by the hailstorm and etc etc. Now here is a word which means pieces. As you can see here, pieces means होता है currency of several Latin American countries. Means currency. The story belong to a Latin American countries where currency is known as pesos. As in our country we use currency which is known as rupees. So this is the word that had been written here. He wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside, and still troubled went to town. At the post office, he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. After completing his letter, now he went to the post office which was situated in the city. He bought a envelope, write to God, and placed the letter inside this envelope and dropped the letter into the mailbox and made his move to the home. One of the employees, who was a postman and also helped at the post office, went to his boss laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. Now when Lencho had gone. One employee of the post office who was a postman and also helping in other work as like picking up the letters from the mailbox. Now he saw the a letter to God. He was full of surprise and carried the letter to his boss, the head of the post office, and saw him very laughingly way. And this letter was addressed to the God. Now, never in his career as a postman had he known that address. Now, the postmaster was so surprised because in all his career he had never saw this kind of letter